tutorial, or at least in this video, is giving you an indication how to log in and initially change your password, because that's what you're going to be requested to do. As soon as you log in for the first time, it's going to ask you to change your password. The only thing that you need to remember now when you're logging in first time is to copy your username and also copy your password, because the password that's been generated is a random password. But as soon as you've entered that and you go in for the first time, what you'll notice is that you actually need to change your password. Very important to also remember is to read carefully exactly the number of characters. I think it's 8 characters that you need to use. You need to use a capital letter, you need to use a number, and one of those special characters which you find above the numbers on your keyboard. Into your web browser, what will come up is this screen. Now, very important to remember, you've got to log in, but the first time that you're going to log in, let me say this again, the first time you're going to log in, you're going to be asked to change your password. So to log in, what you do is in the top right hand corner, you click on the login button, and that'll bring up the login screen as you see it. Type in your username as you found it on the email that you received. Next, take that strange looking password that you got and actually just copy and paste it from the email that you actually got, and then click login. Great. So what that's going to do, it's going to bring up your this screen where you're going to be asked to change your password. Again, remember the password, read at the top, it says the password must be 8 characters long, have at least 1 digit, at least 1 lowercase letter, and at least 1 uppercase letter, and at least 1 non-alphanumeric character. So please, if you're struggling to change your password, it's because you're not making sure that it's at least 8 characters long and it meets all of those criteria. Again, just paste the original password and then change your password, making sure that it's at least that long. And then just click on Save Changes, and it will then take you into the website where you'll be asked to just note your password has been changed, hit continue, and remember, please just keep your password safe. For the new password that you've created, please make sure that you keep it safe. Once you get into the system, this screen will come up. If you go to the left hand side, see the left navigation bar, go there and click on My Courses. What that's going to do is it'll bring up the courses that you've been enrolled for. As you can see, it's Super Achievers, What Do You Sell, and Add Extra Value. As we go through and we continue with the 3-month training process, what will happen is more of these modules will be opened, and you'll be enrolled for more modules. And as the 3 months continues, you'll actually see that there'll be more modules available. But let's start off, let's have a look at the first module, or one of the modules. Let's have a look at Add Extra Value. So to go into any of those modules, you just need to click on either Super Achievers, What Do You Sell, or as we're going to do with Add Extra Value, click on the Add Extra Value. Right, what that'll do is it brings up a screen. Now note, this is the only challenge you may have is, first of all, it puts the navigation menu where it says Introduction, Where Am I Now, Understanding, Application, Proficiency, Mastery, What Have I Learned, and Wrapping Up. Puts it all at the bottom of the screen. As soon as you go into any of them, you click into any of those, what it's going to do is it'll now take you into that module. But you now note that the navigation is no longer at the bottom of the screen, it's now on the left-hand side of the screen. So you can navigate on the left-hand side of the screen into all of the various modules. When you go into, let's say for example, we go into Where Am I Now, first thing you're going to need to do is to say Continue the Last Attempt, which will take you back to where you were when you left. Something noteworthy is if you're wanting to go between questions or between pages, if you have a look at the top where it says Quiz Navigation, you can go up there and you can actually navigate between various pages and questions. And other than that, it's pretty simple. Just click and point and have loads of fun and enjoy all the learning process.